Enactus is an international non-for-profit organization that is dedicated to inspiring students to take entrepreneurial action in order to improve the life of others. Enactus Gargi is the social entrepreneurship society of Gargi College.
Project Vikas is their new initiative. It aims to create a web application that will serve as a one-stop portal harboring information related to new industry trends, internship opportunities, or openings catering to young adults, students pursuing higher education, as well as the educated unemployed. Our collaboration is an effort to enhance the resources offered on the website and to cater to the needs of a wider audience. To learn something new today, head out to our content on their website right now.
So, we guys found Investmentor, this year itself. We guys have been, traders since 4.5 years, and we guys have been, training people unofficially for, since last year. Apart from that, we guys give training courses, mentorship, and assistance to them. But about us, so I'm Dhruv, and we both of us are Hansraj graduates. So that was a graduate. I'm still in college, and apart from that, I've been trading personally since 4 years. Uh, Apart from that, I run two startups as well, and I know around 7 programming languages, and I've had past working experiences with EY as well. So Dhaval can take over now.
Yeah. Uh, so I am currently working with EY as of now. I am a graduate from Hansraj and currently working with EY. I have won a bunch of competitions in DU, like every mock stock you heard of. I have gone to that and probably won a lot of them. So why did we start this? So the main reason why we started investment was because when we started as beginners, we ended up making huge amounts of losses. So as beginners do, they know nothing, like they know about the stock market, but they do not really know how to manage their risk and how do you protect their capital and earn a lot. So that is what basically motivated us to make people learn and make them tell them about how they can get profitable from the stock market just by telling them the mistakes that we did as beginners and the mistakes they should not repeat as well. So the only and only motive why we started this is to help people who are making losses or who are beginners into the stock market to let them know the mistakes that we did as individuals and as beginners and the mistakes that they have to avoid to become profitable in the stock market.
All right. So quickly moving on, Dhaval can just start. We're gonna wrap up the entire theoretical knowledge that you guys have, acquired till date in the next 5 minutes. So that's about it. Dhaval, back to you.
Yeah. So getting onto this, so whenever you search stock market on the internet, this is what you see, like Sensex tanks 1400 points, or Nifty slips 4%. Bajaj Finance is a top loser, or trending stocks these days, or Sensex crashes 1375 points and everything. So what does this basically mean? So stock market is nothing but an electronic exchange whereby shares are exchanged. So there has to be a buyer and there have to be sellers. So there are buyers, there are sellers, and basically they trade on an electronic exchange, that is the stock market, whereby exchange of shares takes place. So there are two exchanges in India, NSE and BSE, that you would already know. So shares is like now the second question that comes to your mind is what are shares? So shares are basically nothing but a part or portion of the larger capital of the company. So every company has an amount of authorized capital, that is the maximum amount of capital that it can raise throughout its life. So let's say let's this is a shareholding pattern for Yes Bank. So it has around 125 crore shares. So like even more than that. So that what basically this signifies is, let's say it has an authorized capital of 10 crores. So basically it is divided into, let's say, 1 crore shares of one of 10 rupees each. So shares are nothing but a part of the larger capital of the company. So 1 crore shares are nothing but a part of the 10 crore shares. So each share is priced at rupees 10 right here, and that is what shares are basically.